Quiet. Quiet on the set. Places, everyone. Places. And we're live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're on.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Home for the Holidays with Randy
And Brittany.
Thank you so much for joining us this Saturday morning. So, Brittany, the holidays are upon us.
That's great, Randy.
And there's no better time of year to do a bit of baking.
Exactly, and that's why we are so excited to welcome to you our next guests. You may know them from their popular baking TV show on Food Network, Baking with the Besties.
That's right. Studio audience, put your hands together for my friend Carla from Baking with the Besties.
Hi, Randy. Hi, Brittany. Thank you so much for having us on your show.
It's our pleasure. We are so excited to have you here.
So what will your two besties be baking in the kitchen today? What would a gift to give and something you made with your own two hands, am I right? Exactly.
So, Carla and I thought we'd make something that absolutely screams holiday. A pumpkin pie.
Oh, I just love pumpkin pie.
Samesies. I mean, who doesn't?
And what about a gift to give to your neighbor or boss, or even to take to that holiday party as a hostess gift?
Yum, let's get started. My mouth is watering.
Okay, so to start, we need the pumpkin pie filling. Now, you might think you'd have to make this from scratch, but you don't. You can use the canned kind you find at your local grocery store, like the one Carla's going to show us. Carla, where'd you go?
Okay, well, that's funny. The pumpkin pie filling isn't here. I thought your crew was gonna set out our ingredients.
Shelly is our producer, ladies and gentlemen. Shelly, where's the pumpkin pie filling?
I went to 4 different grocery stores and they were all out. Apparently a bunch were pulled from the shelves due to salmonella contamination. Should we go to commercial? We can't, we're live. Keep going. Okay, well, this is the time of year when you have to regroup. Right, Carla?
That's right. That's right, Martha. One time I made a turkey and it dropped on the floor right in front of my guests. I picked it up, took it to the kitchen, wiped it off, and brought it back out, saying, so glad I had a second turkey in the oven, and they were none the wiser.
Exactly. You have to improvise. And honestly, does the flavor of the pie really matter as long as it's made with love?
That's the true spirit of the holidays.
So, instead of a pumpkin pie, we simply make an apple pie.
Yum, apple pie with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. My favorite. Oh, hold on there a minute, guys. Looks like we have another message from Shelly.
We don't have any apples.
What? Why?
Apparently there was an early frost upstate and apples were slim pickings. Literally. I guess we don't have apples either, but that's okay. Apples are so autumnal. What's really great around this time of year is a chocolate fudge pie.
That sounds decadent.
Okay, so a chocolate fudge pie it is then. Let's get that filling made.
Oh, hold that thought, guys. Looks like Shelly has another message for us. What is it now?
We don't have any chocolate either.
What? Why?
Well, we had chocolate, but then Linda in marketing ate it all. She's had a really stressful week.
Okay, Shelly, what can we make for you today? Live, on TV, in front of millions.
You know what, guys? It's not about what you make, but rather the thought that counts. Am I right?
You are so right.
But we're bakers. You had us on your show to bake.
And we can't apologize enough. There must be something back there that you can make.
The only thing I see down there are 2 frozen burritos.
Oh yeah, I won't cook or eat those. They belong to Pete. He got fired 2 years ago.
Well, it looks like Shelly is telling us that it's time to wrap it up.
We are so sorry we weren't able to bake anything for us this time, but we're excited to see what you'll bake for us next time.
I wouldn't count on it.
Anyway, that's it for our show today.
Tune in tomorrow when Chef Rocco pays us a visit. He'll be making his famous turkey roulade.
Maybe.